How to fix checking resource integrity stuck on 0 in Zenless Zone 0. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm gonna teach you 3 different methods with the help of which you would be able to easily fix the integrity stuck on 0 issue in this game. So in order to do it, you first need to check your internet connection. So you need to ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. This step is crucial because the process requires downloading and verifying game files from the server. For that, you can restart your router, you can switch to a wired connection, and you can even check for network interruptions. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply run the game as administrator. Running the game with administrator privileges can sometimes resolve the issues relating to permissions and resource access. So you just have to right click on the game launcher and then you just have to select the option of run as administrator. If these two methods doesn't fix your issue, then what you need to do is you just have to repair or reinstall the game. So if the issue persists, there might be corrupted files that need repairing or a clean reinstallation of the game. So you just have to use the built-in repair tool. For that, you just have to open the game launcher and then look for an option like verify integrity of game files or repair. Then you just have to reinstall the game. So uninstall Zenless Zone 0 completely from your system, then download the latest version from the official website. Then you just have to install the game again. In some additional tips, what I would recommend you doing is you can disable the antivirus or firewall temporarily in your device and then try to launch your game. You can even try updating your drivers or graphic cards and check for server issues. So with the help of these few methods, you are definitely going to fix the issue in Zenless Zone 0. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.